In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task to multiple projects in Asana. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can efficiently manage your tasks across different projects. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, especially if you're juggling multiple projects and want to keep things organized. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open Asana and log into your account. If you're new to Asana or haven't used it in a while, make sure you have your credentials handy for a smooth login experience. Once you're in, navigate to the task that you want to add to multiple projects. With your desired task in view, click on the task name. This action will reveal the task's details pane on the right side of your screen, where you'll find a wealth of information and options to customize your task. This pane is your command center, giving you quick access to everything you need for task management. Now focus on the Add to Projects option. You'll need to find the Projects field. Typically, you'll spot this field right under the task name, and it's the key area where you'll be able to add your task to more than one project. Click on plus add to projects, or if you prefer, just start typing directly into the field. This acts as a search bar, simplifying the process of locating the projects you have in mind. As you begin typing, the system will help by suggesting project names. Even just typing a few letters will prompt a drop-down list of potential matches. This feature makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for without having to scroll through long lists of projects. Select the appropriate project from the drop-down list that appears. You can add your task to as many projects as necessary by repeating this process. It's designed to be very user-friendly, allowing you to quickly access and select different projects with ease. Remember, once you've added your task to multiple projects, any alterations or updates made to the task will be reflected in all the projects where the task appears. This ensures consistency and saves you time from having to make the same changes in multiple places. Congratulations, you've successfully added a task to multiple projects in Asana. This technique is an effective way to maintain order and enhance productivity, keeping your workflow seamless as you manage various projects. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes using Asana a lot more efficient for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore more of our tutorials for additional productivity tips.